What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Traxxas ox400 off-road. Now you can see, I know this thing's going to get used again this weekend again. Or next weekend. I think it's probably going to use next weekend because you can see it's raining right now, you can see, because, well, because you see how much it's better this thing, which is definitely how much it's better this machine exactly, but it will get used again this next weekend as well, because you know how it's better this thing, which is, it's definitely looks like a nice looking machine in my opinion, because even though this thing has got a hitch on the back, which is definitely how much it's better this machine exactly, which, I do like this thing a lot because you see how much sped this thing exactly, which is definitely how much they sped this machine exactly, but it will get used again next weekend exactly. Well, it's because I know since we could be using because of the pool with it, which I think is looks kind of pretty nice looking scene. But definitely how much they sped this machine exactly has been used almost like every single time this machine exactly, which don't get me wrong in my opinion, this thing actually looks pretty cool. The tires are still holding air exactly, which is good. The front ones look pretty cool in my opinion. I know this thing got used almost quite a bit because you can see how much it's better, but this is a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion, so it will get used again the next weekend as well, so you know how much it's better this thing, which is a not bad looking machine in my opinion. I mean, I like this is the ox400 off-road because you see how much it's better this thing still, because this is a very nice looking machine in my opinion. And this thing will get used again another weekend, next weekend as well, because you see how much it's better this thing, but this thing got used almost quite a bit. I do like this thing a lot. I do like it's got the top up that you see, but this definitely looks very nice to see machine, because if you look at the front of this thing, I mean, you can see how much it really expected this thing exactly, which tells this is a very nice looking machine. In my opinion, this thing will get used again.